Welcome to Nutri-Delights. You're probably choosing oat milk for your coffee because it seems healthier, or simmering bone broth believing it will help rebuild your joints. These everyday choices reflect your dedication to staying healthy and independent. But what if some of your trusted drinks are silently harming your kidneys? Today, we're uncovering 6 common drinks that might be sabotaging your health from within and sharing simple kidney-safe alternatives.
Before we dive in, tell us in the comments, which healthy drink do you trust the most? We read every response. And stick around until the end. Our number 1 culprit might surprise you, as it's widely seen as healthy, but could be the most dangerous of all. Everything shared here is based on peer-reviewed research, no marketing hype, no miracle claims, just science to help you make informed choices.
The risks we talk about today affect most those with chronic kidney disease, CKD, or at high-risk people with diabetes or high blood pressure. If your kidneys are healthy, these drinks may be fine in moderation. But kidney disease can sneak up silently, so learning these facts helps you protect yourself and recognize when to get tested. This isn't medical advice. Always consult your doctor or renal dietitian before making big changes. 6. Oat milk. The phosphate. Hidden in plain sight. Oat milk has grown incredibly popular, especially for those avoiding dairy. It seems like a clean, plant-based alternative. But many commercial oat milks carry a hidden risk phosphorus additive. How? When plant milks are fortified with calcium, manufacturers don't use natural calcium sources like seeds or cheese. They add synthetic calcium compounds like triracial calcium phosphate and calcium phosphate. These bring along phosphorus, which isn't always clearly labeled. Phosphorus is a mineral we all need, but in whole foods, it's bound tightly and absorbed slowly. The phosphorus added in processing is unbound and almost 100% absorbed. For people with stage 3 CKD or worse, this extra phosphorus overloads the kidneys. If phosphorus remains high consistently, the body pulls calcium from bones, weakening them, totally counterproductive to your goal of strong bones. A cup of commercial oat milk can have about 270 milligrams of phosphorus, comparable to dairy milk, and using up a big chunk of the daily limit for CKD patients. How to protect yourself? Become a label detective. Avoid oat milks with ingredients like dipotassium phosphate or any phosphate compounds. Opt for unflavored, unfortified versions, or make your own oat milk at home, just oats and water, blended and strained. It's simple, tastes better, and puts you in control. 5. Sweetened iced tea, a recipe for kidney stones. On a hot day, iced tea feels natural and refreshing, safer than soda, right? But that sweet iced tea can be a kidney stone recipe in disguise. The problem is threefold. Sugar increases calcium in urine, the raw material for stones. Black tea contains oxalates, which act like glue to bind calcium crystals, and concentrated urine from heat speeds stone formation. A 16-ounce glass of strong black iced tea can have 25 to 50 milligrams of oxalate. For those prone to calcium oxalate stones, daily oxalate should be under 50-100 millicalories. Regular sweetened iced tea is a big risk, but iced tea isn't off limits. Brew your own. Use green or white tea for lower oxalate. Cut the sugar and add lemon juice for natural stone protection, and keep hydrated by drinking extra water to flush out oxalate. 4. Hot chocolate mix, a phosphate and sugar trap. Hot chocolate nostalgic, cozy, and seemingly innocent, especially compared to sodas and energy drinks. But many commercial mixes contain a surprising phosphate cocktail. These mixes focus on instant dissolving, shelf life, and creamy mouthfeel by adding chemicals like dipotassium phosphate, sodium phosphate, and calcium phosphate. The cocoa itself may be only 5 to 10% of the product. One serving can contain 150 to 250 milligrams of phosphorus, plus 15 to 30 grams of sugar. Studies link sugary drink intake to doubled CKD risk. Plus, cocoa powder naturally contains potassium and oxalates, which can cause heart and kidney problems for those with kidney disease. So your fancy hot chocolate might be costing your kidneys dearly. 3. Meal replacement shakes. Protein, overload, and hidden phosphates. Busy lives make meal replacement shakes tempting. They promise nutrition and convenience. But many contain 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving, a heavy load for impaired kidneys. This triggers glomerular hyperfiltration, increasing kidney stress and accelerating damage in people with kidney issues or reduced kidney reserve. Plus, many shakes contain added phosphorus compounds, adding to the kidney's burden. Recommendations? Most adults only need about 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight daily spread out, not concentrated in one shake. Whole food meals are better. If you want shakes, make your own with clean, single-ingredient protein powders like pea or hemp protein, free from phosphate additives. 2. Bone broth, a mineral flood. In a cup, bone broth has long been considered a healing elixir. But this potent mineral-rich broth can become a triple threat of phosphorus, potassium, and sodium overload, hard for diseased kidneys to handle. Commercial brands can have 300 to 700 milligallons of sodium and high potassium and phosphorus per cup, sometimes a large percentage of daily limits for CKD patients. The minerals in bone broth are highly bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs lots of it, unlike from plant sources. To keep bone broth safe, avoid commercial versions. If homemade, use it as a flavor enhancer, not as a drink. Just a few tablespoons can add flavor without mineral overload. 1. Yerba mate tea, a smoky cancer risk. Yerba mate is prized for energy and antioxidants, but traditional smoked versions carry toxic compounds from the drying process, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, the same carcinogens found in tobacco smoke. Studies show these carcinogens in yerba mate increase risks of kidney and other cancers dramatically. Hot, heavy, long-term consumption is especially risky. If you love yerba mate, pick unsmoked, sin humo labeled brands and consume in moderation. Or choose safer alternatives like green, white, or rooibos teas with antioxidant benefits, but no toxic load. Protecting your kidneys is about awareness, not fear. Some drinks aren't inherently dangerous, but your consumption and kidney health status determine their impact. This video is educational, not a substitute for medical advice. Always talk to your nephrologist or renal dietitian about your diet and kidney health. Now, take control. Which drink will you think twice about? Share your commitment in the comments. Your stories inspire our whole community. Thanks for watching Nutri-Delights. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and check out the video on spotting kidney symptoms on the screen next. Stay informed, stay healthy.